If you are new to the Google Cloud and mostly are coming from on-prem or any other cloud and wondering what career path should you pursue in GCP, then this video will help you out. In GCP, like any other cloud, first you need to get your basics right about that cloud, as what are the core services of that cloud, including GCP, especially around networking, identity, serverless, storage, compute. And then you can pursue following certifications as shown on your screen as per your background or future aspirations. So let's go through them one by one. The first one is around DevOps engineer. To meet the ever changing future of compute, businesses are turning to containers and Kubernetes. By containerizing applications, they become more portable and easier to move from one place to another, all while making it easier to change and modify applications. If you are an engineer looking to use the cloud to strengthen DevOps, check out GCP Professional CloudOps DevOps Engineer certification. The next one, the next one is around database engineer certification. Traditionally, when engineers thought about how to store data, they had to choose between relational and non-relational databases, meaning that they had to decide which benefits they were willing to go without when picking. Relational databases offered structured storage that worked better with tables, but they aren't very flexible or scalable. If you needed to make any changes, even something as small as adding a new column, you are better off with non relational databases. By changing how we interact with data and how tools communicate with databases, you can store data for inventory while making it available for processing and analytics, all without moving it around too much. If you're looking to strengthen databases with the cloud, consider checking GCP Professional Cloud Database Engineer certification. Next one is about machine learning. AI and machine learning are probably the most accessible aspects of expansion of the cloud these days. Whether your role is technical or not doesn't matter. Everyone seems to be talking about how artificial intelligence will change the business landscape. At the basic level, you should familiarize yourself with the ideas of how ML model training works and how generative AI opens this up. If this is your career path, then do consider professional machine learning engineer certification in Google Cloud. Lastly but not least, we have cloud architect certifications. While the future of business may be built on the cloud, organizations don't need to just pick one cloud anymore. The growth of multi-cloud environment has driven interconnectedness between the clouds. So now companies can choose the best clouds for a specific segment of their operations with the assurance that they will all work together. If you want to demonstrate an understanding of multi-cloud and hybrid cloud, as well as how they are currently and can potentially change the business landscape, take a look at GCP Professional Cloud Architect certification. When you're ready, you can also explore Google Cloud certifications in everything from the broad foundational cloud knowledge through the Cloud Digital Leader certification to specific certification for a wide variety of technical roles. And there are heaps of them in GCP, like Professional Cloud Architect or Data Engineer certifications. Together, these will give you the knowledge of the cloud you need to help you along your cloud career path. I hope this quick intro was useful. If you have any comments or feedback, please put them in the comments. Thanks.